Hi, this is Lono CloudFormation Framework Introduction via blogs. So Lono is a tool that helps you create, manage, and launch your CloudFormation templates and stacks. So the approach I'm going to take for this introduction here is I'm going to link out to a bunch of blog posts, and then we're going to go over some of them. We're going to review these first three ones very quickly, and then the meat of it is this last one, an introduction to Lono easily managed CloudFormation templates. So let's jump right to it. The first blog post. So the first blog post is entitled "Why Generate CloudFormation Templates with Lono," and this just gives you the backstory of why I built Lono and the context around that. So that's all that one is. The next one is generate hundreds of CloudFormation templates with Lono. So this one actually describes the generation process on the template side. So this shows how templates are generated. So it uses basically this template definition block here and ERB code right here, the view code, and it combines those two to produce an outputted CloudFormation raw CloudFormation template. So that's what that's about. Moving on to the next one, AutoScaling CloudFormation template with Lono. So this blog post takes a very real and practical use case, an AutoScaling CloudFormation stack here, and Lonofies it. So you download a AutoScaling CloudFormation template, and then you go through the steps of what it takes to Lonofy the project. All right, so that covers those first three blog posts that gives context around Lono. Now, we're there. We're finally there, the meat of it, the introduction to Lono. So let's go into this one. Easily manage CloudFormation templates, introduction to Lono. So this blog post comes with a nice diagram. I learned sometimes better with a diagram. So this diagram shows the process that Lono goes through. Okay, the first one is Lono takes your Lono templates. Oh, and it's going to be very good to also take a look at the structure. So let's open up the official Lono documentation right here. And you click on Docs, and down here, directory structure. So this is the directory structure of a typical Lono project. There are config templates, there are config variables, and there are templates. These are actually the view file templates. And this is the output directory where the templates are going to be outputted to. And there's a description of all the folders right here. But this first part of the diagram focuses on the template generation side of Lono. So Lono takes your ERB templates and your ERB variables as defined in your config slash variables and config slash templates. And then your templates defined in templates slash, and it combines that output and generates it into the output folder here. And then it goes through a second generation phase. So Lono generates CloudFormation templates, but Lono also generates these param files also. So this is the standard params file format with when you're using the AWS CloudFormation CLI. And it's a little bit verbose. It's not that bad, but this one's so much simpler. This one is just a key value pair format. It's like an env file, an environment file. And you can even have comments in it. So it would take the Lono, the second phase of generation would take this file and then generate this file. So it takes those two generated files, and then it will use that as input to then launch the stack. So that's what Lono does for you. It's going to run through this entire process. So we're finally there to actually run Lono. So let's go do that. Let's grab the command. I'm going to hop onto a terminal here, and then I'm going to just run it. So here's the command, Lono cfn create, and here's the stack name, asg dash, and then I shelled out here just so I could add a random timestamp, just so I could launch multiple guys like this. And then I specify the template name. There's asg. You don't have to specify the full path, just the template name, and you don't have to specify the extension. And then I specify the param name. And by convention, you could actually get rid of this because, you can get rid of the param because the param will follow whatever the template is set to by convention. And then if you want to even if you're naming the stack ASG, then by convention, you can actually get rid of that too. So then you can just launch it like this. So I've just launched now 4 stacks. So let's go confirm that these stacks actually launched at the AWS console. Right here, there, create in progress. And see the random timestamp that was kind of added there at the end. And then the last stack where the convention just flowed all the way through. And it was really, it simplified the command down to 4 words. So That's Lono in a nutshell. That's exactly what Lono does. It automates the entire process from template generation, param generation, and then will launch the stack for you. Okay, hopefully you found that video helpful. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like it to encourage more content like this. If you have any questions or any other video suggestions, feel free to comment below. And if you need any DevOps help, check out BoltOps. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, guys.